Hello class, in this video I'll be showing you how to evaluate a definite integral. Let's begin. For example 2, we want to evaluate the definite integral from -2 to 3 of x squared. By the fundamental theorem of calculus, we have if lowercase f of x is equal to x squared, then the definite integral from -2 to 3 of x squared is equal to capital F of 3 minus capital F of -2, where capital F of x is an antiderivative of lowercase f of x. To find an antiderivative of lowercase f of x, we're going to use the power rule. So an antiderivative of x squared is going to be 1/3 x cubed. Now to evaluate the antiderivative when x is equal to 3 and x is equal to -2. When x is equal to 3, the antiderivative is equal to 9. When x is equal to -2, the antiderivative is equal to -8/3. This means capital F of 3 minus capital F of -2 is equal to 9 minus -8/3, which is 35/3. So the indefinite integral from -2 to 3 of x squared is going to equal 35/3. So now that we have a value for the definite integral, what does this value represent? To the right is the graph of f of x is equal to x squared. Between x is equal to -2 and x is equal to 3, I shaded in the area under the curve. The area is above the x-axis, so this area will be represented by a positive number. If we take the positive area to the left of the vertical axis and add it to the positive area to the right of the vertical axis, the sum will be 35/3. What this means is that the area under the curve between x is equal to -2 and x is equal to 3 is 35/3. And we are done.